It's the unofficial mascot of the fitness world, the high-protein chicken wrap. But is it a boring diet staple or a hidden culinary powerhouse? We see them everywhere, from meal prep containers to viral TikTok hack videos. Everyone is chasing the same goal: maximum protein, minimum calories. But the struggle is real. How do you keep white meat chicken from tasting like cardboard? And how do you make a wrap that doesn't fall apart mid-bite? Today, we're breaking down the anatomy of the perfect wrap, from the double wrap technique to the secret of the zero-calorie sauce. This isn't just a sandwich, it's a mathematical formula for the modern body. The chicken wrap wasn't born in a gym. It was born in the 1980s as a healthy alternative to the burger, but back then it was mostly bread and mayonnaise. The modern, high-protein version is different. It's a battle against the dry breast syndrome. To fix this, athletes turned to the velveting technique, a Chinese method of marinating meat in cornstarch and egg whites to lock in every drop of juice. Then there's the tortilla trap. A standard wrap has 300 calories of pure carbs. The secret? High-fiber, low-carb wraps that use resistant starch to keep you full without the bloat. This isn't food anymore. It's biohacking. Every gram of macro is accounted for. For the modern athlete, the kitchen is a laboratory of discipline. It's not about flavor anymore, it's about the numbers. Imagine eating the same wrap every single day for months. This is the mental grit required to stay on a strict macro plan. This isn't just about building muscle, it's about sacrifice, giving up the pizza for the sake of the goal. Legendary bodybuilders have built empires on these wraps. It's the fuel that built the legends. But then the internet broke the rules. Fitness influencers discovered that diet food doesn't have to taste like sadness. Enter the crunchy wrap hack, using a toasted tortilla to create a high-protein version of fast food favorites. And the secret weapon? Greek yogurt. By mixing it with ranch seasoning, we get a creamy 50-gram protein sauce with almost zero fat. But there's a dark side to the healthy wrap, the sauce sabotage. 2 tablespoons of regular ranch can add 150 calories of pure fat, instantly erasing your 45-minute cardio session. Then there's the store-bought trap. Many pre-made wraps are loaded with sodium and preservatives to stay fresh in plastic. True high-protein success happens in your own kitchen, where you control every milligram of salt and every drop of oil. The high-protein chicken wrap is more than a meal. It's a contract you sign with your future self. It's proof that you don't have to choose between your taste buds and your targets. You can have both. If you're ready to level up your meal prep, hit that like button. Tell us, what's your secret high-protein ingredient? Subscribe for more deep dives into the fuel that powers the world's best athletes. Stay fit, stay hungry.